Ma'am, today we want to hear from you regarding Germany admissions, Germany education and everything, as we are having many queries regarding Germany.
Yeah. Last week we spoke about, I think 2 days back we spoke about Italy in detail. So one more country which students are always interested about is Germany. And whenever we speak to students, they only talk about the free education in Germany. That there is a free education and we want to go for the free education. Yeah, of course you can go for the free education, but all are not actually eligible for the free education. So how we can start, like this Germany's this free education thing actually came about in October 2014. That time the German authorities, they decided that whichever students coming to Germany, whether they are from onshore means of German or outside Germany also, they will give the benefit of, they will be given the benefit of free education. So then after a few years, what they decided, it will not be totally free, a small amount of administrative charges will be taken. That is very negligible, maybe few euros, maybe sometimes 100 euro or something.
And all the universities not private?
No, not all. The private universities are totally a different thing. If I can cover today the private universities, I will cover, because I don't want the these talks to be very lengthy. So if we cover the public universities today, we can cover the private universities tomorrow. So for the public universities, first and foremost requirement is you have to be academically very sound. Though above 60% you can apply. So that rule is there in India also. In so many colleges, so many universities, even for MBBS, if you want to appear for the NEET exam, your qualifying marks is 50%. But ultimately, how many gets through? So you have to be actually very sound academically. If you ask me, below 75%, students who have got below 75%, I think they should think twice. I will not say that they should not apply or something. Of course, you can apply. If you apply, then you have to have a very high GRE score. Suppose your percentage, that doesn't mean that you have a 60% and a very high GRE score. That also doesn't match. You have to be very academically sound and balanced. So you have to have a good GRE score, and even if you are a very good student, like you have 85% and all, I always tell the students it is always advisable that you give the GRE, because GRE is like a topping on a cake, or it just enhances your profile. Okay, then IELTS or TOEFL is mandatory. Duolingo won't do for the free programs. Okay. Next is proper transcript. That is very much required. Without a transcript, you cannot apply. Good LORs. Collect as many as you can. Minimum 3 LORs you keep collected. You don't know when the rule changed, suddenly one university you got through and they are asking for the third LOR, and you actually don't have the time to get the LOR. So it is always better to be on the safer side and you collect 3 LORs. LORs are letter of recommendation. Okay. Format and all we can give you. If you ask us.
Is German language required?
Even if you go for the English taught programs, German language is a must for visa. At least A1, A2 you have to. So actually, if you want to go for German free education, you have to start much before your time comes, much before, because this language courses really needs time. If you do it from India, it's really time taking. If you come to us, we can make an express courses for you, help you to do the express courses directly through German teacher, through German institutes in Germany. That helps you.
It will happen online, the courses?
Yeah, it will happen online, totally online. Okay, and even if you want to go and study there, again that is again a different scenario. Like if you have, actually I think we should cover Germany in 2-3 days. Like if you have less than 75%, still you want to go to Germany, how can you go? So that is, you can go through a foundation program, and moreover, 10 plus 2 education is not taken into account. You have to have a 10 plus 3 education. That means we have 10 plus 2, then we go for graduation, UGs. They have 10 plus 3. Then you, but if you know, sometimes I get students, ma'am, why should I go there and study that extra 1 year? I will study in India. You know what happens if you study in India and if your first year score comes down, again you cannot go. Suppose in 12th you have got 85%, you can go. In the first year you go to college and your score drops. Initially you have to be stable, academically sound, then only to 65. So you cannot go. So it's better you take that 1 year foundation there. And if you have got through JEE Advanced, that also helps you in getting free admission there.
That means that is counted as after 12 plus 1.
That is okay. So there are many this type of small things which is very important. The student feels that today that just going through Google, you know, now this year also we have so many students, they try to do it themselves.
It's not possible.
It's not possible. At every step you require a professional help. For Germany, for Italy, for any country. You know, and when we are there to help you, I don't know, and when we actually don't charge for the initial counseling or everything, there's so many things I'm telling you here, I'm not charging. So why don't you take a professional help? Then afterwards, if you feel that no, I can do it, try. And then again you are wasting your time.
At this admission procedure, they can take our help because the
Yeah.
main thing is that the documentations and everything that I think.
Also,
and
for visa date, they cannot take it.
Take.
This time you got so many
Yeah,
calls.
right.
They were asking that how to take the visa date. We have done everything, but I cannot. So these all you cannot do. At some step or other, you need to. And we don't cater for students. You know, I have told no to so many students. We don't cater for students who comes halfway. That I have done this much, and then if I pick up the case, it has to be from the very beginning. Okay, and moreover, there is a block account, almost 10,000 to 36 euro. That is per year. That is 853 euro per month. That is required to keep as a security deposit block account in German university. When you do, you have to make a block account in a German bank. That is very much required.
That also we are helping with the students.
Yeah, we will help with that also. And regarding accommodation, the main cities, the cost of accommodation is more than the smaller cities. And moreover, part-time job they can do. So see, it is a free education on top of that. But UG students, I don't think they should do part-time job. They should, because they have the block account for their living cost. So you know, when you talk about free education and student comes to me and asks, is air ticket free? How can the university give you the air ticket? Okay, so food, how can the university give you food? Huh? So you actually have to have, financially you have to be. So what I was just saying is that if you want to go to Germany for a free education, first of all is you have to be academically very good. Good means excellent, not good, better. You have to be the best. Okay. Second is you have to be financially stable also. Because you need the show money, that is block money. In other countries it's only show, but here you have to block it. Third is like undergraduates, they are not allowed to work there. It's very difficult. If you do hide and seek, that's a different issue. That we cannot comment. But officially you are not allowed to work. So actually you have to be financially very sound, academically excellent, and have a good GRE score, and also IELTS, TOEFL, whatever you give, that has to be a good. You have to minimum 6.5. Better is always better. Okay, the more is always better. And next is West Germany is the place for studying. You know, after study work is excellent. your stay back is you get the PR quite easily, and German people are very hospitable. They really look after the international students, and they really prepare you for the world, to face the world. And a degree of a German university is acclaimed all around the world. I think that's enough. Now, if you really want to go to Germany, you really have to be an excellent performer, a holistic performer. That's it. Thank you. So contact us as soon as possible to register with us. Registration is absolutely free. You can just put up an inquiry in our website also. Our website is www.yesvidya.com, and you can also find us out in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever social media you want to, and just join hands with us and reach your goal. Thanks.